In this video, I wanted to show you another way to get the Thevenin equivalent or Norton equivalent, and that is using source transformation. It doesn't always work, so it's not a standard procedure, but in certain circuits like the one I'm showing you here, it will work because source transformation applies for this particular circuit. Alright, so let me get started. I'll start by saying, okay, I'll make sure to preserve the A and B, so I'll do some sort of transformation. I believe I can either do the source transformation for these two or these two. It's up to you. Let me just do the 25 and the 5. So the 25 and the 5, we can just do this here, and that becomes in parallel with a 5. And of course the current will be 25 divided by 5, and that's basically 5 amps. Okay, and that's in parallel with 20 ohms, and that's also in parallel with another current source, and that's 3 milliamps or 3 amps. And then we have the 4 ohms in here, and then this one here is A and this one here is B. Okay, so the next step is I will combine a few things. So the 3 and the 5 become an 8 amp going upwards, okay? And then the 5 and the 20 become 5 and 20 in parallel. And that, I believe, is 4 ohms, okay? So we have 4 ohms in here, and then that leaves us with another 4 ohms in here, and that's basically A, and this is basically B. We do another source transformation, and that becomes a voltage source in here in series with a 4 and 4, which is 8 ohms. Okay, that will be A, and that will be B, and the value here is 8 times 4, which is 32 volts, and that's basically the Thevenin equivalent. You need Norton? Sure, just do basically source transformation, and it becomes here, that's 8 ohms, and that's here in A, that's here at B. Of course, 32 divided by 8 is 4 amps, and that's basically the Norton equivalent. So we can sometimes reach Norton and Thevenin using source transformation, but not always. I'm going to show you another example in here where you cannot use source transformation in this particular circuit to get to the Thevenin equivalent, because frankly speaking, you can't use source transformation at the current state that the circuit is at. You can't use it because I don't have any parallel connected resistor to this current source, and I don't have any series connected resistor to this voltage source. So it doesn't always work, but when it does, it's pretty straightforward and simple to do.